In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Lying is the Most Fun a Girl Can Have Without Taking Her Clothes Off by Panic at the Disco, off of their album, A Fever You Can't Sweat Out. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Panic at the Disco was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in drop D tuning, so make sure you tune your low E string down to a D. The song's gonna kick right into the verse, and in the verse part, the guitar is playing this. So all we're doing there is just palm muting and alternating strings. So I have 5th fret on the 3rd string and 4th fret on the 2nd string. Then we put the pinky down on the 6th fret of the 4th and alternate that with the 5th fret of the 3rd. And it just repeats. Coming out of that first verse, we'll play this chord. So that's 6th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, and then 3rd fret, 1st string. We'll hold that for 2 bars, and then we'll kick into this 3rd fret power chord. Remember, when we're in drop D, power chords are just barring 6th string, 5th string, and 4th string. So we have 2 measures of straight 8th notes there. And then we kick into the chorus. The chorus sounds like this. So what we're doing there is basically playing 10th fret power chord, then 8th fret power chord, and then 6th fret power chord, but we'll be using our pinky to play other individual notes while we're playing those power chords. So first chord is going to be that 10th fret power chord, but the pinky will be on the 13th fret of the 4th string. So we'll hit that 3 times, pinky moves down to 12th fret, 3 times, and we can lift the pinky off. So we have 2 hits there. Then we come down to the 8th fret. We can just do 3 hits on that 8th fret power chord. Then pinky goes to 11th fret, 5th string. 3 hits there, then pinky to 10th fret, 5th string. Then we jump down to the 6th fret power chord, and the pinky will be on the 8th fret of the 4th string. 1 measure there, and the pinky comes up to the 10th fret, 4th string. Then it'll go back down to the 8th quickly, and then we repeat. So that whole chorus part from the top, I'll play it slow. right there, the pinky stays on the 8th fret of the 4th string the whole time. Coming out of that chorus, you'll just hear a lot of noise and feedback, so the guitar will really just be kind of strumming open strings. It's just kind of a noisy part. And then we kick into the second verse. The second verse is almost the same as the first. So in the first verse, we were alternating these strings. In the second verse, what we're going to do is this. So we're just adding the 3rd fret on the 1st string occasionally. We add it there, then we alternate. And then there, and alternate. So the pattern is this. Okay, then we'll add the pinky just like we did in the first verse. Now we're adding also the 2nd string there. And that'll repeat. The second verse is shorter than the first one, so at this point we just kick right in with that 3rd fret power chord. 1 bar and then 1 hit. And then there's a vocal only part. And then we kick into the second chorus. The second chorus is exactly the same as the first. Coming out of that second chorus, we'll play this part. So let's break that down. We'll use that same first chord that we use in the chorus. Right hand rhythm is this. Down, 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 down. Next chord, 9th fret, 6th string, 10th fret, 5th string, and then 12th fret, 4th string. So that is down, 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 down. Then we'll move down to the 6th fret power chord, but we'll also include the ring finger barring 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings on the 8th fret. Okay, so that pattern, down, 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 down. And then we go down to that 3rd fret power chord. Straight 8th notes for 2 bars. So all together, that part after the second chorus. At this point, we're into the breakdown, and in the breakdown, there's no guitar, it's just keyboards. So the guitar will come in when we kick into the 3rd verse. The 3rd verse is going to build on what we did in the first and the second. So in the first verse, we were just alternating. Second verse, we were adding that 1 extra note. Now the 3rd verse is going to start like the second, adding that extra note. Now it's going to reach down here just like it did. Now right here, what's going to happen is we're going to play 5th fret, 4th string, and then 3rd fret, 3rd and 2nd string. And then come down, same pattern, on the 3rd fret, 4th string, and then 1st fret, 3rd and 2nd string. So that 3rd verse part will sound like this all together. I'll play it slow. So you'll repeat that twice in the 3rd verse. Coming out of the 3rd verse, you'll come up to this 6th fret power chord, with the ring finger barring those strings on the 8th fret. You play that pattern, down, 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 down. Then come down to that 3rd fret power chord. 2 bars here. And then we'll kick into the last chorus. The last chorus is the same as the first 2 with this extended ending. So this ending part sounds like this. So what you'll notice there is that we're using the same chords that we used coming out of the 2nd chorus, but instead of playing the rhythm we were playing before, which was right, that was the rhythm that we played coming out of the 2nd chorus. Now this time we're just going to play straight 8th notes. Repeats. So you'll notice there, we just jump down to the 3rd fret for 3 hits, and then come back up here and end on this chord. Was A Fever You Can't Sweat Out the best emo album ever? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.